As far as recognition is concerned, we are working with the international community, and we'll take those decisions in step, in line with the international community. At the same time, we continue to advocate for engagement, and particularly in light of the humanitarian crisis developing in Afghanistan. We believe it is not good for the people of Afghanistan, and it's not good for the region or indeed the international community if 95% of the people of Afghanistan descend into poverty. It would not be a good message for the international community to send, or indeed for us in Pakistan to send to the people of Afghanistan, if they get the impression that we're abandoning them in this difficult time. So we're emphasizing increased humanitarian efforts, and also underscoring the importance of ensuring that there isn't a complete collapse of the Afghan economy. Of course, that too will have disastrous implications for the people of Afghanistan. Simultaneously, we in the international community are emphasizing the importance to the new regime in Afghanistan that they live up to international commitments, be it vis-a-vis terrorism or more specifically, their commitments to women's education and the education of girls in Afghanistan. And we feel if they live up to international commitments, it would be easier for us and others to fight the case for an increased support for humanitarian efforts and a stabilization of the Afghan economy.